Hello everybody, we are here back with figure. Let's see what the students are doing today.
We're working on bass and
the bass.
yeah, this is our drum.
Put the drum to see. Oh, so you're working that good, you're going, and then the bass?
And then we're working on the bass, but we haven't done that yet.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll check on the boys here.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody. Let's see, can you show us what you're doing?
Sure, we're working on our lead. Is this good? Like, is the brightness good?
Yes, it's very good.
Should I unplug it?
Yes, and plug it so they can hear a little bit. Wow, that sounds good.
And
The bass,
tweak.
and then you're doing. Just keep it there, and then the mixer.
So you can make some parts higher, some parts. Or you can.
We don't want the lead too loud because if we had the lead too loud, the lead would just overpower the entire song.
Good job, boys. Keep working. That sounds amazing. Let's see. What are you doing, Daniel?
I'm just working on the drums.
Awesome. Good job. Let's see what the boy here. I'm coming here. So let's see. Let's see. What are you doing?
Wait, I'm making music, huh?
I'm doing figure.
Where's the music I'm doing?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Keep working. Okay, boys. Say hi. And explain what are you doing.
Right now we're just making a new composure. We just got the drums done as you started walking around. Now we're working on the bass. I did not want to do that. But other than that, we just got started on our third composure because Lloyd accidentally deleted our last composure.
That's fine. Keep working. You're doing great. I'm coming with the gear here. Let's see.
Turn it down.
So unplug so everyone can see and hear what you're doing.
Wait, turn it up. Turn it all the way up. That's what we made.
Yes, okay. Nice, that's good. That's good. Good job, girl.
Thank you.
Keep working. Nice. Boy, you want to show what you're doing?
Sure. Okay. So let's start off with the drums,
With the drum, let me got you there.
and then like
Yeah, you can play it.
and then we did the bass.
The bass, yeah, you go.
Wait, bass.
Wow, that's very low. You want it like that low? Good, that's good. And the melody?
We haven't really
Yeah,
gotten.
that's fine, that's fine. Good job, boys. Keep working. Bye. Okay, so we're here again back with Lloyd. Let's see what he's doing. I like the way that it's not too crazy. Keep the foundation awesome. Let's see the drum. Let's see the melody. You can do tweak in the melody.
Yep.
To make it more interesting. But that's good. Good job. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Daniel here. So let's see what you have. Start with the drum. I like the drum. Very good. Not too crazy. Let's see the bass. Beautiful. Yes. Maybe the melody a little bit lower, but that's overall good. Good job. Did you do some tweaks? You can do tweaks if you want. Awesome. Good job. Say bye. Bye. Here we go again.
My name is Ronan. My name is Cole.
There you go. Let's see what are they. Oh, they have a lovely picture here. Let's see what. Okay, so let's start with the drum. Oh, you have it. That's fine, fine. Let's listen all together. I like it. Okay, now let's go by part. Let's start the drum.
I kind of went crazy on the sound.
Yeah.
Does that sound good? Love it.
I went insane on like a little.
The bass. That sounds good, but maybe you can use a couple of notes. But then you will have to redo the bass. And then do one bass per measure. That will sound better. Let's see the melody now. Oh, the melody is the same. You only have one step. That's why. We can change this 6 or 7, whatever you want. So just check the melody there. Because now it's too crazy. But that's fine. You can fix it.
Yep.
Hey, bye. Thank you so much. Oh, say your names.
I'm Lucas.
Matthews and
I'm Lucas.
Lucas. Here we go. Show me what you're doing.
Okay, so we're doing a song. It's called Lucas Matthew Mix.
Perfect. Okay, let's listen. I like the drum. It's not too crazy. And let me do the drum so we can. Yes, perfect. I like the acoustic sound. Sound like a real drum. The bass is very. I like it. I like the rhythm of 7. Awesome. Let's see the melody. Oh, because it's a weird sound. If you like it, it's okay, but I will try another sound with that one. Like maybe another sound. See?
Yeah.
And check that. But that were overall good. Good job.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye. Am I going to show the worst song ever?
Megan.
That's a blooper, but we're gonna keep it here, so don't worry. Okay, we start over again.
Wait, but
Megan! We are going to. He said it's really good.
Here we go.
what?
Cut.
No sense.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Megan.
Awesome. Let's see what you're doing.
This
Let
so
me focus.
this is a so-called word.
Bye everyone. Till the next one.